In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend in Krita. So there's actually a lot of different ways to do this, but I'm going to show you my favorite one, which I do think is the easiest for beginners. So what you want to do when you open your image, you want to go to the bottom right here inside the brush presets, and you want to go to the search box and you want to type in blend. Now you'll notice that here you have like a bunch of different blend brushes. So there's like this one over here, which is the basic blender. You have the blender blur, you have the knife edge, etc. So there's a bunch of different ones. I'm going to show you some of these over here. You can select whichever one you want and play around with it, and you'll see the powers it has, okay? So for example, this first one over here is just like a very simple blend. As you can see, it's basically blending into this color, and of course I can blend it through, stuff like that. So yeah, it allows me to actually blend quite easily. And then you have this blender blur over here. Let me go back. There we go. You have this one, which of course allows you to kind of blurry blend. So in case that's something you need on your image, you could use that as well. That's perfect for like blending some maybe like edges or depth or something similar. Then you also have this one over here, which is going to be the blender knife edge. So this is like just the knife edge for blending like edges over here. I can go ahead and do it like that. As you can see, I can like pull it out. So this is going to be maybe a bit more advanced. So I don't really use this one for blending too much, but of course, if you want to do it, you can use this one as well. But again, as I said, it's a bit more tricky than the other ones. Then you have this one, which is the blender pixelize, and this one will basically blend and kind of pixelize things. So if you are really zoomed in, that's actually perfect because you can go and essentially like blend different pixels with it. That's also very convenient. Then you have this one down here, and this one over here is called the blender rake. And you can go ahead and of course blend that way as well, as you can see. So in case you may need that for some reason, you can use this as well. However, again, this is again more of an advanced tool as well. Then you have this one, the penultimate one, which is called the blender smear. So this is going to basically smear things. So if you want that, you can use this to blend as well. It's completely possible, but again, it's a bit more tricky as well. And then last but not least, you have this one, which is the blender textured soft. So this is good for like blending different textures in case you're using it, and you can basically kind of blend textures that way as well, okay? And it's gonna work. But the most convenient ones likely are gonna be these two over here. So the first one, you have the basic blender, and then the blender blur if you want to use the blur as well, okay? That's gonna be kind of the easiest way to get blending done on your images, photos, whatever you are working on. So that's the easiest way to blend. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.